Ever crafted the perfect custom skin for your Minecraft avatar, only to have it stubbornly refuse to show up in-game? Let's fix that. First, let's ensure you're in the right place. Open your Minecraft launcher and navigate to the Skins tab. This is where all your custom skins are managed. If you're trying to apply a skin and it's not appearing, the most common culprit is an issue with the skin file itself. Sometimes, skin files can become corrupted during download or transfer. The best initial step is to revisit the source of your custom skin. Download it again from a trusted website. Make sure the file is a PNG image and that its dimensions are correct, typically 64 by 64 pixels, though newer versions support larger sizes. Once you have a fresh copy of your skin file, return to the Minecraft Launcher Skins tab. Look for an option to add skin or a similar button. Click that and browse to the location where you saved your new, clean skin file. Select your PNG skin file and confirm the addition. The launcher should then recognize it, and you'll see it appear in your available skins. You can then select it to apply it to your player model. If you've re-downloaded and it's still not showing, try restarting the Minecraft launcher completely. Sometimes, a simple refresh can help the game recognize new files. After restarting the launcher, launch Minecraft itself. Once you're in the game, check your player model. Your custom skin should now be visible. If you're playing on a server, ensure the server supports custom skins, as some may have their own skin packs or restrictions. Following these steps should help you get those awesome custom skins showing up and personalize your Minecraft adventures. Happy crafting and happy mining!